Namaste Vidyarthi Mitro. Hello student to all of you. In this video we will see the binomial quadratic surds, rationalization of the denominator, practice set 2.4. हे सर्व आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये बघणार आहोत. Now let us recall the previous thing. We know that if a is greater than 0, b is greater than 0, then root of ab is equals to root of a into root of b. If a is greater than 0 असेल आणि b is greater than 0, then the root of ab is equals to root a into root b. या प्रकारे. Next, in first bracket a plus b into second bracket a minus b, then you will get a square minus b square. या प्रकारचा फॉर्म्युला तुम्ही 8th आणि 7th ला देखील लर्न केलेला आहे. Root of a bracket square is equals to a and root of a square that is equals to a. Both are the same and the value is equals to a. या प्रकारे त्या दोघांची व्हॅल्यू कशी आहे तर सेम. Now next multiply. Multiplication बघणार आपण. First example, root 2 into in bracket root 8 plus root of 18. म्हणजे या root 2 ने root 8 आणि root 18 ला मल्टिप्लाय करणार. Therefore या root 2 ने root 8 ला नंतर मग root 18 ला root 2 into root 8 plus root 2 into root of 18. मग दोघांचा इंडेक्स कसा आहे तर सेम आहे. मग एकाच इंडेक्स मध्ये टाकणार. That is a 2 into 8, root of 2 into 8. That is a root of 16. 2 into 8 किती आलं 16. आणि 16 चा स्क्वेअर रूट किती आलं तर 4. पहिल्याच्या बाबतीत. What about the next? Plus root 2 into root of 18. म्हणजेच काय root of 2 into 18. 2 into 18 that is a 36. Root of 36. What is the square root of 36 is 6. Therefore it is a 4 plus 6 and that's equals to 10. And in this way we get the rational number. That is the product of irrational number is equals to the rational and that is equals to 10. In second example, that is a root 3 minus root 2 into 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2. Normal multiplication आहे मध्ये. या फर्स्ट टर्मने या पूर्ण ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लिकेशन करणार. या सेकंड टर्मने फर्स्ट ब्रॅकेट मध्ये असलेल्या सेकंड टर्मने होल ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लिकेशन करणार. That is we will multiply the first term of the first bracket to the second bracket and the second term of the first bracket to the whole second bracket. Now see this here. Root 3 into 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2. And again this minus root 2 will multiply this whole bracket. That is a minus root 2. What is the sign between them? The minus. Therefore it is a minus sign. Minus root 2 in bracket 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2 and their multiplication. Now here is the multiplication, that is a root 3 into 2 root 3 minus root 3 into 3 root 2 minus root 2 into 2 root 3 and this minus will become plus. That is a root 2 into 3 root 2. What is the root 3 into root 3? That is a 3. 3 into 2 that is equals to 6. What about the next? That is a 3. Is a rational number. Root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2, both of them have the same index. Therefore it is a root 6. Root 3 into root 2 is a root 6. Overall you will get minus 3 root 6. And next is 2. Here is 2. Root 2 into root 3. Again root 2 into root 3 is a root 6. And last is, here is a 2. Root 2 into root 2, that is a 2. 2 into 3. It makes 6. Now see this here. 2 into 3 is 6. What about here? Minus 3 root 6 and minus 2 root 6. That you will get minus 5 root 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6. That is a 12. 12 minus 5 root 6. And in this way we get the multiplication. Now next example. That is next we will learn. That is a binomial quadratic surd. That is, it contains the two terms. 5 root 5 plus 3 root 3. 3/4 plus root 5 are the binomial quadratic forms, quadratic third form. म्हणजे काय की यामध्ये इरॅशनल नंबर्स असणार, दोन टर्म्स असणार, दोन्ही इरॅशनल असतील किंवा दोघांपैकी एक इरॅशनल असेल, पण दोघांपैकी एक कमीत कमी इरॅशनल पाहिजे. देन वी से दॅट इट इज अ binomial quadratic form of the third. Next is root 5 minus root 3. 3/4 minus root 5 are also binomial quadratic thirds. Now study the following formulas. These are very important. या फॉर्म्युलांचा अभ्यास करा. It's very simple. What is in first bracket? Root a plus root b into root a minus root b. What about their product? Root a bracket square minus root b bracket square. Simple formula. First bracket मध्ये किती ते a plus b. Second bracket मध्ये a minus b. What is their product? A square minus b square. But what is here? Root a. Therefore it's a root a square. What is here? Root b. Therefore it is a root b square. रूट ए चा स्क्वेअर म्हणजे किती मिळाला? ए मिळाला. रूट बी चा स्क्वेअर म्हणजे किती मिळाला? तर बी मिळाला. Therefore the product is we get the a minus b. In a similar manner, root of 5 plus root 3 into root of 5 minus root 3. It means root of 5 bracket square minus root 3 bracket square. Root of 5 bracket square means you will get 5. Root of 3 bracket square you will get 3. 5 minus 3 and you are getting the 2. Therefore, the answer is 2. Again see this here. The product of two irrational number is a rational number. Now next, root 3 plus root 7 minus root into root 3 minus root 7. Again a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square. That is root 3 square means 3. Root 7 square means 7. 3 minus 7. That is equals to minus 4. And you are getting the rational number. Next is 3/2 plus root 5. In second bracket 3/2 minus root of 5. Here is a plus b into in second bracket a minus b. Then you will get a square minus b square. That is a 3/2 bracket square minus root of 5 bracket square. 3/2 bracket square, that is you will get 9/4. Minus root of 5 bracket square means you are getting the 5. Therefore, now simplify this. 9/4 minus 5. 9 into 5, 4 into, that's you will get 4 into 5. That is a 20. 9 minus 20 upon 4. 9 minus 20, that is you will get minus 11 upon 4. 9 minus 20 means you are getting minus 11. And you will get minus 11 upon 4. म्हणजे तुम्हाला minus 11 upon 4 या दोघांचा product मिळेल. Again, what type of these two numbers are? These are irrational numbers. And therefore their product is minus 11 upon 4 in this way. The product of these two binomial surds, that is root of 5 plus root 3 and root of 5 minus root 3, is rational numbers. Hence, these are conjugate pairs of each other. Therefore, each binomial surds in the conjugate pair is a rationalizing factor of other. Therefore, note that for root 5 plus root 3, the conjugate pair of binomial surd is root of 5 minus root 3 or root 3 minus root 5. You can change the sign. Similarly, for the 7 plus root 3, the conjugate pair is 7 minus root 3 or root 3 minus 7 in this way. Now next, don't forget this. Remember this. The product of conjugate pair of binomial surds is always a rational numbers. That is the product of conjugate pair of the binomial surds. That's we see there. We get the rational numbers. Here is the product. We get the rational number. And the product of the two conjugate binomial surds, we get the rational numbers. That's we are concluding here. आपण इथे conclude करत आहोत. The product of conjugate pair of binomial surds is always a rational number. Now next is rationalization of the denominator. हे आपण आधीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये देखील बघितलं आहे. The product of conjugate binomial surd is always a rational number. By using this property, the rationalization of the denominator in the form of the binomial surd can be done. Now see this example. Rationalize the denominator. म्हणजे डिनोमिनेटरचं rationalization करायचं. डिनोमिनेटर मध्ये रूट साइन वगैरे काही नको आलं पाहिजे. Therefore, the conjugate pair of root of 5 minus root 3 is root 5 plus root 3. मग root 5 plus root 3 ने याच्या न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटरला मल्टिप्लाय करणार. Therefore, you will get 1 upon root of 5 minus root 3 is equals to 1 upon root of 5 minus root 3 into root of 5 plus root 3 upon root of 5 plus root 3. Therefore, 1 into root of in bracket root of 5 plus root 3 is root 5 plus root 3. Upon here is a minus b into a plus b. Then you will get a square minus b square. That's the root of 5 bracket square minus root of 3 bracket square. What is the root of 5 bracket square? That is a 5. Root of 3 bracket square means 3. 5 minus 3, that you will get 2. Therefore, root 5 plus root 3 upon 2. And in this way, the denominator is rationalized, and hence 1 upon root 5 minus root 3 is equals to root 5 plus root 3 upon 2. या प्रकारे आपण डिनोमिनेटरचं काय करतो तर रॅशनलायझेशन करतो. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम बघा आता. रॅशनलाइज द डिनोमिनेटर. व्हॉट इज द टर्म? 8 upon 3 root 2 plus root 5. मग डिनोमिनेटरला इरॅशनल नंबर आहे. which is that the conjugate pair of. मग याचा कॉन्जुगेट पेअर घेणार. इथे प्लस साइन आहे. मग त्याचा कॉन्जुगेट पेअर मायनस येणार. That is a conjugate pair of 3 root 2 plus root 5 is 3 root 2 minus root 5. And now we will multiply to the numerator and the denominator by 3 root 2 minus root 5 upon 3 root 2 minus root 5. And in this way, their product. मग product किती मिळणार आपल्याला? 8 in bracket 3 minus root 2 minus root 5. And denominatorला काय मिळणार आपल्याला? Here is a plus b, a minus b. Means you will get a square minus b square. That is a 3 root 2 bracket square minus root 5 bracket square. And in this way, 3 root 2 square means what? 9. Root 2 square means 2. Root of 5 square means what? 5. And in this way, 18 minus 5. 18 minus 5 is 13. What about denominator now? या denominator ने 8 ने काय करणार? आतल्या टर्म्सला मल्टिप्लाय करणार. 8 into 3, that is a 24 root 2. And 8 into root of 5, that is a minus root 5. And in this way, you are getting the denominator is a rationalized. Now we will see the practice set 2.4. It's again very simple. Repeated problems are there. Multiply. That is a root 3 in bracket root 7 minus root 3. या root 3 ने या bracket मध्ये टर्म्सला मल्टिप्लाय करणार. Now see this root 3 into root of 7 minus root 3. Then you will get root 3 into root 7. That is root 3 into root 7. What about here? Root 3 into root 3. Now here the index is same. Therefore we can take in the same index 3 into 7. That is the root of 3 into 7. Which is root of 21 minus root of 3 into 3. Which is 9. And root of 9 is 3. Therefore root of 21 minus 3. Therefore you will get root 3 in bracket root of 7 minus root of 3, that is equals to root of 21 minus 3. And in this way you will get root of 21 minus 3. Now the next product is root 5 minus root 7 into root 2. म्हणजेच या root 2 ने या दोन्ही टर्म्सला आपण मल्टिप्लाय करणार. That is a root 5 into root 2 minus root 7 into root 2. Therefore you will get root of 5 into 2. Both of them have the same index. Therefore we can accommodate in a single. That is 5 into 2, which is 10. That is a root of 10 minus a root of 7 into 2, which is root of 40. And hence we get here the irrational number. That is the product of irrational number is here irrational number. म्हणजे प्रत्येकदाच आपल्याला प्रॉडक्ट केल्यानंतर रॅशनल मिळेलच असं काही नाही. कधी कधी आपल्याला रॅशनल मिळेल, कधी कधी इरॅशनल मिळेल यांचा प्रॉडक्ट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. दॅट इज अ 3 root 2 minus root 3 into 4 root 3 minus root 2. या दोघांचा प्रॉडक्ट करणार. Again, the multiplication of these brackets, it's very complicated. Numbers are repeated, 3 root 2 and again. Therefore, I had taken the in color. म्हणजे कलर मध्ये दाखवले मी ते. आता या 3 root 2 ने या सर्व ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लाइड केलंय. 3 root 2 into 4 root 3 minus root 2 and again minus root 3 ने पूर्ण ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लाइड करणार. Minus root 3 in bracket 4 root 3 minus root 2. Then you will get 3 root 2 into 4 root 3. What about their product? 3 into 4. That you will get 12. 12 root 2 into root 3. That is the first. What about the second? 3 root 2 into root 2. What about the root 2 into root 2? Root 2 into root 2, that is a 2. 3 into 2. And then you will get the 6. Here is a 6. Yellow color. In the yellow color. Yellow color. Continue yellow color. 3 into root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is a 2. 2 into 3, that is a 6. What about the first? 3 into 4. That is a 12. Root 2 into root 3. In a same, they have the same index. Therefore, it is a root 2 into root 3 means what? Root of 2 into 3. That is a root of 6. Therefore, 12 root 6. Second, we have completed yellow. Now, next is root 3 into 4 root 3. Root 3 into root 3. किती मिळेल आपल्याला? 3 मिळेल. 4 into 3. That is a 12. Here is a 12. Now, next, last is root 3 into root 2. What about here? In root of 6. And root of 6 is as it is here. Therefore, you will get 12 root 6 plus 1 root 6. Then you will get 13 root 6 minus 6 minus 12. Then you will get minus 18. And in this way, I have completed. Now, next question is rationalize the denominator, which is 1 upon root 7 plus root 2. Now, what is the conjugate part of this? The conjugate pair of root of 7 plus root 2 is root of 7 minus root 2. Therefore, multiplied numerator and the denominator by the roots for this expression, that is 1 upon root 7 plus root 2 is root 7 minus root 2 to the numerator and root 7 minus root 2 to the denominator. What's happening to the numerator? 1 into root 7 minus root 2 is a root 7 minus root 2. And what about here? A plus B, A minus. Means what? A square minus B square. Therefore, you will get root 7 minus root 2 upon root of 7 bracket square. Therefore, you will get 7. Root 2 bracket square. Therefore, you will get the 2. Therefore, root 7 minus root 2. Here is a root 7 minus root 2. 7 minus 2. You will get the 5. And in this way, you will get 1 upon root 7 plus root 2. That is equals to root 7 minus root 2 upon 5. And in this way. Now for the next expression, 3 upon. पुढचं expression बघा. 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. पुन्हा याचा conjugate pair किती मिळेल आपल्याला? Minus आहे तर plus असणार आहे. Therefore, the conjugate pair of 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Therefore, we will multiply to the numerator and the denominator of this, that is the expression 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 multiplied here. That is a 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Now their multiplication, that is a 3 in bracket 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon a minus b and a plus b. 2 root 5 bracket square minus 3 root 2 bracket square. And in this way, you will get the product 3 into 2, 6 root 5. 3 into 3, 9 root 2. And in this way, 2 root 5 चा square. Root 2 चा square किती आला तर 4. Root 5 चा square किती आला तर 5. Minus 3 चा square किती आला तर 9. Root 2 चा square किती आला तर 2 आला. And in this way, 6 root 5 plus 9 root 2. And in this way, 4 into 5, that is a 20. 9 into 2, that is a minus 18. 20 minus 18, that is equals to 2. And in this way, the denominator is rationalized. And now next is, next 4 upon 7 plus root 3. Again, what is the conjugate pair of this? That is a 7 plus 4 root 3. It's a conjugate pair is a 7 minus 4 root 3. Again, we will multiply numerator and the denominator of this for this expression by this term. Therefore, 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3 into 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 7 minus 4 root 3. What about there? multiplication. Now see this here, a plus b again a minus b. It's a square minus b square, that is 7 square minus 4 root 3 bracket square. And in this way you will get 4 in bracket 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 7 square means what, 49. 4 root 3 bracket square means what, 16 into 3. That is a 16 into 3. That is a 48. 49 minus 48. You will get 1. What about the numerator? 4 into 7. मग किती मिळेल तुम्हाला तर 28. 4 into 4 minus 16 root 3. 49 minus 48. किती मिळणार तर 1 मिळणार. And in this way, the denominator is rationalized. Now next, root of 5 minus root 3 upon root of 5 plus root 3. आता डिनोमिनेटरला पुन्हा इरॅशनल नंबर आहे, मग याचा कॉन्जुगेट पेअर घेणार. root 5 plus root 3 is the conjugate pair is root of 5 minus root 3. Again we will multiply to the numerator and the denominator by the root of 5 minus root 3. Now here is a root of 5 minus root 3 into root of 5 minus root 3. These are the like terms. What about here? Conjugate pair is here. Root 5 plus root 3, root 5 minus root 3. And you will get a plus b, a minus b. Here is a square minus b square means what? Root of 5 bracket square minus root of 5 root 3 bracket square. What about the to the numerator? It's a root 5 minus root 3 bracket square. And you will get here root 5 minus root 3 bracket square means what? A minus b bracket square. Means what? First term square minus 2 into first term into second term. That is a 2 into root 5 into root 3 plus root 3 bracket square upon 5 minus 3. That is a 2. And in this way, root 5 square means what? 5. 2 into root of 5 into root of 3. That you will get root of 15. And here is a root 3 bracket square. That is a 3. 5 plus 3. That is 8. 8 minus 2 root of 15 upon 2. Now the denominator is rationalized. पुन्हा आपल्याला इथे cancellations करता येऊ शकता का? We can take the 2 as a common from the numerator. Then you will get 2 in bracket 4 minus root of 15 upon 2. These 2 get cancelled and finally you will get 4 minus root of 15. And in this way the denominator is rationalized. And in this way we have completed the practice set 2.4. I hope that you would have understood all the problems whatever that I had explained. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.